everybody, it's Miss Lauren, and tonight I'm coming to you with a fun science experiment that you'll be able to do with your entire family. Tonight, we're going to talk about physics and surface tension and atmospheric pressure. All big words, but this experiment is going to be just like magic, and it uses very simple materials that you already have at home. Okay, so let's get started, and I'm going to show you what materials that you need to perform this experiment with your family. Okay, the first thing that you'll need is some paper towels. Okay, you're going to want to go ahead and put your paper towels down on your surface just in case we spill anything. Next, you are going to need a nice big bowl. Okay, then you are going to need some water. You need a jar. Today I'm using a small mason jar. I prefer if the jar is under 1 pint in size, so little hands are able to hold onto the jar. So you can see next to my hand, the jar is pretty small. And last but not least, you are going to need an index card, okay? All right, so to start this experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the jar right over the bowl. Okay, so you see the bowl's here, and Miss Lauren is holding the jar right over the bowl. And then you can pour some of the water into the jar. Okay, let's see, put that down. Okay, so next you're going to take your index card, okay? And you're gonna go ahead and put your hand right on top. All right, here we go. So, there are several physical forces at work here. One is the atmospheric or air pressure that surrounds us all the time. The force that is pressing on the jar and the card from all directions is going to keep everything in place. So I think that means that the water might stay inside the jar. Do you think that index card can hold water in a jar? For the water to overcome that force and pour out, air would need to flow in to fill the space in the jar, but it can't because the note card will be blocking the opening of the jar. All right, let's see, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. The note card blocks the water from flowing out. The card is also being held in place by adhesion, the force that makes wet things stick to surfaces, and the surface tension, which also makes the water want to stick to itself. So there you go. Miss Lauren has just performed a very cool science experiment, but I think it looks like magic. What do you think? Please leave a comment below and let me know if you were able to get the water to stay inside of your jar. Okay, so when you want to take your water out of your jar, how do we think we're going to do that? Remember, we know that only air has to get inside. So if Miss Lauren gently moves some of it away, the whole thing pours out. Very interesting. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please like the library's Facebook page and subscribe so that you may see more fun programs and events just like this one. Thank you so much and have a great evening. Bye-bye.